When entering lists from our road center, some of the lists have predefined filter values. Here, for instance, on my sales order process road center, I have an activity for the sales order that's open. If I click on this, it would take me to my sales order list. Here I can see that I have views that have been predefined by the system. If I haven't chosen to show the filter pane, like this, I can still see it here that is filtered on sales order open. And I can switch between the filters here. I will just add the show filter pane again. As you can see, I can actually edit in these filters. So I could change this to the released, the status to released. Now you'll notice that the view have a mark, indicating that I have changed something in this standard filter. And you can see here that it has been renamed to a custom filter now. Now if I go up here and back again, you can see it still filters to the status that I set. So unless I set it to reset the filter, this filter will apply until I end the session and start a new one. But if I reset the filters, it will be back to the filter that has been set by the system.